SchoolFix whiteboard installation is simple, secure, and can be safely installed with minimal labor because SchoolFix whiteboards weigh considerably less than most of our competitors. To start, mark and level holes and attach top and bottom brackets. Slide the aluminum marker tray into the bottom channel of the whiteboard. Self-drilling screws secure the whiteboard to the brackets. Double check for secure attachment of brackets and screws to the wall, and now your whiteboard should be ready for use. When installing whiteboards longer than 8 feet, simply mount two boards next to each other and place the trim cover over the whiteboard aluminum side trim. Whiteboards are available in either porcelain or enamel steel writing surface with up to a 50-year warranty. If you need any help choosing the best whiteboard for your use, please contact us online at schoolfix.com or by calling